Hi, my name is Gigi and welcome to my channel. Today I am participating in an open collaboration hosted by the Thrift Queen Vlogs. Yes, she is indeed the Queen of Thrift. And if you haven't seen her channel or visit her, please go and see her. She does amazing hauls and she has a great sense of humor. And of course, it's co-hosted by our beautiful Cheryl from Around the House with Cheryl. So with that said, let's do my tablescape. This collaboration, guys, her roles is thrift and flip or thrift to flip. And you have to spend $10 or less. So since that's her roles, I will beat that. I am going to do this for nothing. Therefore, I am going to reuse all my old stuff that I have. And I am going to do a tablescape, Valentine tablescape. As you can see, guys, I am reusing my reed placemats that I bought last year. And all my plates, the white plates, like what I said, guys, I just like to use simple stuff so that I can reuse them. And I'm going to use the same cutleries and glass wine, as you can see, guys. So I don't have to spend anything because I am going to beat our queen, Queen of Thrift, or Thrift Queen Vlogs. So now I am going to do my centerpiece by recycling my old CDs. So what I'm going to do is I am going to use this toilet roll cardboard and I stuck it into this CD in the middle of the CD. And now I am gluing all my cut CDs. I cut them into half, guys. And as you can see, I'm sticking them around into this toilet roll cardboard. Okay, make sure I just fill up the whole toilet roll cardboard. I'm struggling to pronounce it. So, and then since the CDs are not tall enough to fill up the whole toilet cardboard, so what I did was I cut little pieces and stick it into the top part. And as you can see, guys, I am putting all my little bits into the edge of our CDs. As you can see. Alright, and that was the outcome. And let's put it into the middle of our table as our centerpiece. And now I'm using my red table napkin, and instead of reusing my napkin ring, I fold my napkin into like a red roses. I'm not professional, guys, but I tried. So that is the outcome, guys. You see, that was my table napkin, and that is my CD DIY flower vase. I am so proud with this flower vase, guys. I am really so happy with the outcome and the way I fold my table napkin. Oh well, I've learned every day with all this collaboration, guys, and as I stayed in the YouTube and joined collaboration, I learned quite a lot and grow from it. So I am really pleased with myself. And I hope I did justice for the free Valentine's tablescape. And I hope our host will be happy that I didn't spend a penny. So I bet her, I'm sure she's going to spend something on her stuff. But I didn't spend anything. I got everything in the house. So what do you think, guys? Look at that. You see, I am so proud with my flower vase. Like always. You see, that is the focal point of my Valentine's tablescape. My DIY CD flower vase. You see? And those flowers, guys, those are the pine cones that I spray painted into red last Christmas, and I'm just reusing them as part of Valentine's. See? What do you think, guys? I hope you like the outcome of my Valentine's tablescape, though you've seen some of the stuff. But I'm just so proud that I made this tablescape for free. So once again, thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you like it. God bless and bye-bye.